Crypto regulation continues to move forward in the United States, and ETH steps into the spotlight. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. A new chapter for crypto is here as the industry kicks off its first full week with a major legislation signed into law. After a chaotic week in Washington, D.C., President Donald Trump signed the stablecoin bill on Friday afternoon. The Genius Act will now be forwarded to the federal financial and banking agencies to implement its various provisions. That will include formalizing the definition of what kind of firms make acceptable issuers of stablecoins, which is a field currently dominated by Tether's USDT and Circle's USDC. The House has also passed the crypto market structure bill in a 294 to 134 vote, securing a strong bipartisan majority as the Clarity Act heads towards the Senate. The landmark legislative achievement for crypto markets is a sharp turnaround from recent years in which the sector languished under resistant U.S. regulators and a lagging Congress. Excitement from the regulatory front rippled across the crypto markets, with Ether and other Layer 1 coins being standout performers. ETH rose nearly 27% during the past 7 days, shooting above the $3,800 level. The move comes as major financial institutions and treasury companies have started pouring capital into Ether, as well as the growing appetite for the asset on Wall Street. U.S.-listed spot Ether ETFs saw record inflows of $2.18 billion over the past week. Veteran trader Tom Lee told CoinDesk in a recent interview that Ether could be worth up to $15,000 if FundStrat's calculation using EBITDA-based multiples turns out to be correct. Lee also cited technical analysis from Mark Newton, the head of technical strategy at FundStrat, that predicts Ether potentially reaching $4,000 before the end of July. As of this morning, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap is trading at around $3,783.
Midnight is a privacy-enhancing blockchain, introducing vital, programmable privacy and selective disclosure capabilities. It means DApps can allow users to control what information is revealed without putting sensitive data on-chain, allowing you to break free from the limitation of choosing between utility or privacy. We deserve more when it comes to privacy. Experience the next generation of blockchain that is private and inclusive by design. Break free with Midnight. Visit midnight.network/breakfree.
Despite the fall in Bitcoin dominance, corporations have not stopped stacking. Sequans Communication, a France-based semiconductor company, purchased 1,264 Bitcoin for $150 million, bringing its total holdings to 2,317 Bitcoin. The company announced the acquisition just weeks after closing a $384 million private placement to help fund its Bitcoin treasury strategy. And guess who else continues to buy? Michael Saylor just announced that Strategy has acquired another 6,220 Bitcoin for around $739.8 million at around $118,940 per Bitcoin. As of July 20th, 2025, the company holds 607,770 Bitcoin in its bag. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.